What is up? What is poppin'? It's your girl Kamora back with another video. Ooh, peep the shirt if you like it. Give this video a like. Anywho, today I'm going to be blow drying my hair for the first time in like 4 years. I'll be using the cool setting on my dryer. There's a cool setting, so I'm going to be using that. I'm not going to be using like any high heat or anything like that. So I feel like it would technically just like be if I had a fan and I was just like brushing my hair there. Last time I had my hair like fully done by a hairdresser was my 8th grade prom. Like, I don't know about you guys, but that's like actually a long time ago. I'm now a senior, so that was a long time ago. Oh. Anyways, yeah. I actually just woke up, so I always love that bonnet takeoff. Anyways, let me put it here. Ooh, I wish you guys saw that. It like landed perfectly on my towel. Enough with the rant, let's get on to this video. Oh. Oh, not turning on. It is not turning on. I'm upset. Yeah. This is the Shea Yogurt by Alakai Naturals. I'm just gonna do a section by section. Let me put my camera up. I feel like I'm so tall. I'm not tall, guys. I'm like 5'0". I'm scared. I've never done this by myself, and it's really been that 4 years. Okay. I'm really big on like heat damage, y'all. Like, I don't get my hair done by the salon because I don't like the way that they treat hair, unless it's like an actually dedicated to kinky curly hair. But other than that, I usually just take care of my hair by myself. Like, I'll just like use pieces to prevent the heat damage and do the styles that I would still like and I find cool. But I think it's perfectly like genius because you don't have to damage your real hair and you can still get the style you want. So a win-win. Y'all knows I love a win-win. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. I feel like I should have the blow dryer in my left hand. It's not hot at all, so I can literally just finger tangle with my hair and just comb it out. That's essentially what you're doing when you're blow drying your hair. You're just like combing it out with extra air to help you in the process. But I feel like a lot of knots in my hair, so that's why I'm like trying to use my fingers, because I don't know why. It's like it's literally only at the end. Like I can literally run my fingers down and then like they get caught at the end with like little knots, and it's really interesting to get it, because when you comb your hair, you're supposed to go from the bottom to the top. You're not supposed to go from the top to bottom, so I don't want it to be perfectly blow dried out. I just want it to be stretched. So I'm back. I'm almost done with this back section of my hair. What I noticed to find that's really helping me is angling the blow dryer up, so that when the air is on, like it's just literally like pushing down, and then my fingers are able to rake through and really help get it stretched out more better. If you did not know that, you're welcome. If you did, you're welcome. All right, let's get back to this time lapse. Alright guys, I'm back and look how fluffy I am. I'm so fluffy. Super fluffy, super bouncy. I just want to do this all day. Oh my gosh, look at this curl right here. Ay, ay, ay. Like, literally the odd bought out. What? How did that even survive? Like, I mean, I like my hair curly a lot more anyways, but I just wanted to like blow dry it out. It seemed so, I feel so airy. Like, I feel like 10 pounds has just lifted off me and I'm like I'm in space or something. I didn't, no pun intended, like no pun intended. Oh my gosh. Let me just fix this one real quick. I don't think that's a lot. I feel like I detangle more when I'm in the shower, so. Woohoo! Comb it out a little bit. Cause now I can finally rake a comb through, and I'm definitely going in with my wide tooth comb because I'm not going in with some fine tooth. Nope. I could literally pick this out if I wanted to, cause it's not that even. Like, I think I'm going for like a different shape right now. But I feel like I should go have a photo shoot or something, like my all white denim. Yeah, I feel like I should go do that. I think I just might take 30 minutes of my time today and do that. Anyways, but this is the final look, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Follow me on Instagram to check out those white denim photos I'm about to take. I feel so funky fresh. So I have my, I don't know what you call these clips. Yeah, those. So I'll go in with my blue first because it's mi color favorita. Yeah, I'm just gonna play some. It really all depends on the shape that you're going for, but yeah. See, it's really cute, like a nice outfit. I wish I had like a white shirt or something to show you guys, which I do. Let me just get my outfit. Let me just get the outfit. Yeah, this is what I'm talking about. Like, I feel like this outfit's super cute, and yeah, just have my funky sleeves up. I can definitely, I keep saying definitely. If I wanted to, I have a pic here. Let me try to find it. But okay, I found it. I just picked this up a little bit. You see that volume that it's adding? Making it really go from the root. Okay. So I got a little tail going on there, but yeah, it definitely fits this better. This is the final look, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'm so glad I blow dried my hair out today with you guys. I literally just woke up. This was such a spontaneous video. And yeah, make sure to give a like, comment, subscribe. I want to hear what you guys think. Positive vibes only. Still in quarantine. It is currently summer. Hopefully I'll have this video out as soon as possible. I don't think it's going to take me that long. I think it should be relatively short. I don't know why I'm telling you this. You're probably just like, just end the video. But anyways, I'm going to do my photo shoot out. So I'm going to put on some more makeup. I'll probably tag this as a thumbnail as well, so you can see how the makeup look for that. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you made it all the way to the end of the video, I love you so much, so much. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!